My name is Preston Ekrem. I work for Skolton's Equipment, and today we're looking at early 492 890. This here's a cutter head we pulled out of a burn machine, and we've gone through, torn it all the way down to just the bare frame and painted it over, and we're putting it back together and replacing all the back components. So here's the cutter head we pulled out of the machine. We're going through, putting new bearings on. We'll clean her up and do a good reconditioning on it. The hardest part so far is going to be a brand new accelerator, which isn't too terribly bad. Sent all the knives into the transition chute and bent the accelerator, so I had to pull that out, had to cut the shafts. So what we have left to do on this machine: finish the cutter head housing, finish the feed roll housing, put a new accelerator in, and replace all the liners all the way through. We've already gone through the engine, checked that over, all the bearings, everything in the main drive. The engine seems to run very good. We've gone through the axles already, and everything seems pretty good on this 5,000 hour machine. So what we're going to be keeping out of this one, this cutter drum is just toasted. This anvil, it's got a bunch of knife chunks in it, same with the shear bar, but we'll be keeping the pulleys. We've already taken off the shear bar adjusters, already installed them on there. We've put the stone guide and sliders onto the new cutter head already. And this frame, if you come back here, you can see where all the knives took chunks and dented out of it. So we'll keep this frame for later use in case we need to. And CLAAS sells a part, a welding part. We'll cut this out, put a new weld in there. Same with this plate. You can see where the knives just ate it away. So right now we're still in the early stages. We've taken her all down to basically nothing, and now we're starting to put everything back together. So we still have to pull out the liners and then put new liners in before we put the accelerator in. And then so we're probably still 2 months out before everything's said and done.